Hello, today we're going to talk about how to quickly use an on-box Juniper shell script to quickly change certain parameters in a configuration. Like for example, in this script, I am trying to change the ISIS metrics. So the shell script is pretty much doing a while true done in a constant loop format. So once within the script, what I do is I call the CLI-C, which is invoking the CLI prompt from the shell. Going into the configuration mode, set protocol ISIS metric, I'm setting it to 15, setting a commit comment to indicate that the metric is 15, and I quit. After this, I wait for 10 seconds. Again, the shell is invoking the CLI, going into the configuration mode, setting the protocol ISIS metric to 63, commenting it with the number 63 just for ease of understanding. So this way you could constantly keep churning between the metrics of the protocol. Again, these are scenarios that you may need while you're testing or replicating a problem where you want to do changes to certain parts of the config as on a consistent basis and to check the performance and stability of the device. Now, these things can also be achieved using external scripts like Python, expect. Some of those references are available on the channel video that I've posted. But this is another quick way of doing it if you don't want to run any external scripts like Python or expect. You just run a shell script, you reference this syntax, and you should be able to do it. Now, let's invoke the script and check what happens. So I'm invoking the shell script using sh. As soon as I invoke it, it is now you can see going into the configuration mode, committing the changes, exiting out of the configuration mode. Then it will again wait for the 10 seconds period, and then it'll again go back into the configuration mode to do the changes. As you can see, it exited, now entering, and it's just performing the constant churn of metrics. Now, in terms of the changes, I've also performed a monitor start message matching for set action. As you can see, it's clearly telling me that the command is setting the metric to 15, the metric is set to 16. So this is a simple way of constantly doing changes to the configs. Now, this is just one example. You may want to deactivate a particular BGP session. You could do the same principal logic applied here. Just call deactivate protocol BGP neighbor, commit, quit, come out, and then you keep on repeating it. The script can be obviously stopped with Control C. Now, in terms of the comment on the config, if you do show system commit, you can see I also have comments that is indicating what is the metric I was changing. It's just an example. Hope this is useful. Bye for now.